My name is Frederick. I do this video on YouTube where I mount a GoPro to my camera and I show my point of view of taking pictures. Don't blink.
If you want me, then tell me you want me. I blew up the world and nobody saw me. That doesn't mean that I know how to live like I own it. Pockets of rubbish, I'll empty your mouth like they golden, like they golden. I can't read your lips and know what they're saying. This is a game and baby, I'm not playing. Can't you tell I'm over this? It's all gonna cave in. And blood isn't the only thing that you're gonna lay in.
That's some of the street photography I've done this year. I have a lot more on my channel where it's less like fast paced and you get a more feeling of what's actually going on. So I'll do a playlist and I link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. Regarding the camera, I used different kinds of camera in the videos that you just saw, but I'll link to all the cameras that I use and the gear and lenses in the description below. In the next week or so, there will be an interview with my road to photography and how I got to Mexico. And then I'll make another compilation about how I do street portraits. And then I need a road trip soon, so hopefully that will be on the channel too. Until next week.